If you have been following me for a while, you will know that on this channel I always talk about businesses and I talk about ideas and tips that can help you make money for yourself. So if you're seeing this right now, then I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel we talk about how you can make money online, how to grow your business. Okay, so we want to quickly talk about how you can flip websites for profits in 2024. You can also do this in 2025 depending on when you are seeing this video. Okay, so I'm just using this now because I could not create my slides because my apps are not really functioning. But let's quickly just touch all of these topics and then we call it a day for this video. So before I go in, just do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this video so that when I put out more videos you are going to be notified. All right, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now when it comes to website flipping, it is a very lucrative business that you can do and can make a lot of money from if you use the right strategy, and we're going to go straight and talk about what it is. Now if you don't understand, you need to know, first and foremost, you need to know what website flipping is all about. If you're a beginner to website flipping, you need to know that website flipping is just like a real estate business where you buy land and sell land. But in this case, you're not buying land, you are buying a website to resell. Okay, so the advantage here is that you are buying it at a low price to sell at a higher price. Okay, so even if you don't have money to buy real estate, this is something you can consider. You can come here, buy a website for a cheaper price and then sell it for a higher price. So the first step for you to profit from flipping website is for you to first understand what website flipping is all about. Okay, so my number 2 is for you to choose a profitable niche. You need to choose a profitable niche, which means that selecting the right niche is very critical for your success. Okay, you don't just want to go into anything. You want to be sure of what area you want to focus on. You can decide to focus on technology, you can decide to focus on health and wellness, you can decide to focus on finance, you can decide to focus on e-commerce or even lifestyle. But the important thing is that you need to pick your niche. That is very, very important. So that's my number 2. Now number 3 on the list is for you to decide whether you want to buy or you want to build. What that means is that, do you want to buy existing websites, or do you want to buy, or do you want to build it from scratch, or do you want to buy websites that have expired? Okay, those are 3 areas. You can either buy existing websites, or you buy websites that have expired, or you build from scratch. Okay, all of these are different areas, different ways that you can make money from website flipping. All right, so if you're buying existing websites, you can use platforms like dan.com, like Flipper, like Empire Flippers or Motion to invest in websites that are not really growing. Okay, some people buy websites and the website is not really growing, so what you do now is to go and purchase the website from them and then add some value to it and resell. Are you seeing now? That is buying of existing website. Now the next one is building from scratch. You can create a website that targets specific audience, build it up, load it with quality content and make money from the website. That's the second part. Then the third one, which is buying expired websites, which is what some people call buying expired domains. You can go to expired.net. Okay, go and pick websites that have expired. There are some people that will buy websites, buy a domain name, and as time goes on, after a cycle, a 1 year cycle or 2 year cycle, the website expires, probably because they couldn't renew it. So the website expires, they can't use it again or they can't get it back. You can buy that website and put it up for sale. Are you seeing this now? So this is number 3. Number 4 is for you to increase the website value. When you are buying a website, you are buying for low, but when you are selling, you need to make sure that you put some things in place to resell that website. As you can see on my screen, one of the things you need to look at is the content, the traffic, the revenue, and the experience on the website. All of these things really matters if you want to be flipping and making money from websites. Okay, now number 5 is for you to track your performance metrics. Okay, you can track your performance monthly, you can track your revenue, you can track your SEO. If you don't know what SEO means, it means search engine optimizations. This is a very important functional part of the success of a website. Okay, if you are close to people who talk about websites, you will hear them talking about SEO all the time, SEO ranking or keywords. Okay, so this is very important. So my number 6 is for you to prepare the website. Okay, prepare it for sale. It's like you have bought a land. You have to prepare the land for the buyer who is coming to buy. Okay, you have to make sure that there is detailed reports. You have to make sure that all the processes are documented. You have to make sure that what will enable you to transfer the website is available, so that the buyer will have a smooth process of buying and a smooth transaction. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So these are the 6-step process that you can use to start making money from flipping websites. I believe that you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified. If you're very much interested in learning the step-by-step process, you want somebody to show you the step-by-step process of everything it involves to make money from flipping websites, we have a community. All right, there's a community. All you need to do is to pay the access fee. It's not free. It's not for people who are lazy. It's not for people that want quick schemes. Okay, quick schemes of making money is not for those kind of people. It's for serious minded persons. So if you're serious enough, there is a fee attached to it. All you need to do is to go to the link in the description. When you go to that link, it will give you access to where you are going to see more information about how you can get into the community and start getting resources and start learning about flipping websites. If you got value from this video, like I said before, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.